Today I bring for you Samsung Galaxy M31. Let's start. We open the box. Nice phone, nice color. If we see, it has only charger along with C-type cable. It has a plug, but there is no inside headset. Let's open and see. Blue edition in my hand. It has very nice display. If we see the app, as you can see, it has a Netflix. You can see Snapchat inbuilt, Daily Hunt. It's also app. You can select any language. Has Amazon shopping. If you go to setting, you can see first thing display. It has a full screen app. It has a biometric and security. You can see fingerprint behind. You go to advanced setting, advanced features. You check moisture and capture. And go to device care. As you can see, it has 128 GB internal memory and 6 GB RAM. Has a software update also. We go to about phone, go to battery information. It has 6000 mAh battery, very strong battery. And this phone is very good battery. If you want to see its original or recondition, you can see in status okay, it means it's original. If it's NK, that is recondition. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you are new subscriber, please subscribe my channel, like and press the bell icon. Don't forget that one. Thank you very much. Bye.